Hello everyone, myself Romi Mehta, and here we discuss what is relationship between pointer and array and how actually it is working in C. So first of all, when array is declared, the compiler allocates a base address and sufficient amount of storage to contain all the elements of the array in continuous memory locations. Okay, so first of all, what compiler do? Compiler allocate a base address. Okay, now the base address is the location of the first element of the array. The compiler also defines the array name as a constant pointer to the first element. Now suppose we declare array name x and its size is 5 and the data type is integer. So integer x of 5 and the value of that array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now suppose the base address of x is 1000 and assuming that each integer requires 2 bytes. So the 5 elements will be stored as follows. So it's stored like x of 0 is equal to 1 and the base address is 1000. X of 1 is equal to 2 and the base address is 1002. X of 2 is equal to 3 and base address is address of that particular value is 1004. X of 3 is equal to 4 and the address of that value is 1006. So basically is plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And then x of 4 is equal to 5 and this address is 1008. So the name x is defined as a constant pointer pointing to the first element. X of 0 and therefore the value of x is 1000. The location where x of 0 is stored. So this is how actually it's look like. Okay, so this is virtually demonstration how actually compiler store the variable or value of array. So if we declare p as an integer pointer, then we can make the pointer p to point to the array x by the following assignment. So p is equal to x. This is equivalent to p is equal to ampersand of x of 0. It means that x is storing the base address of first value. That's why p is equal to x is same as p is equal to ampersand of x of 0. Now we can access every value of x using p++ to move from one element to another. So the relationship between p and x is look like p is equal to ampersand x of 0 which is 1000, then p plus 1 which is nothing but the address of second element x of 1 which is equal to 1002, then p plus 2 which is nothing but the address of third element and which is equal to 1004. So the address of an element is calculated using its index and scale factor of the data type. So address of x of 3 is equal to base address which is 1000 plus 3 into scale factor of integer 3 because it is index is 3. So 3 multiplied by 2 which is nothing but the 1006. So we can find the address of an element using its index. When handling arrays, instead of using array indexing, we can use pointers to access array elements. Because star p plus 3 gives the value of x of 3. Like we use the variable and pointer, same we use pointer and array. So star p give the value of particular that variable, then star p plus 3 gives the value of x of 3. So the pointer accessing method is much faster than array indexing. Okay, because we can directly handle with address. So that's why the pointer accessing method is faster than the array indexing. So now let us discuss the example how we can use pointer in array. So let us discuss the program of array and pointer. So the first step is including header file. Okay. Then after we declare our main function, which is void main, and now we declare one variable I, comma, array of size 6, let us say, and one variable sum is equal to 0. Now what we do, we get 6 numbers from the user and get the summation of that 6 number. So we print that enter 6 numbers. Okay, so let us write enter 6 numbers. Then for what we do, for I is equal to 0, I less than 6, I plus plus. Okay, and we get 6 values from the user. Now what we write, scanf percentage d, okay, comma, which is actually storing in x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, which is nothing but the basically address of that particular location. So here we write x plus I, which is actually nothing but the same is, like we write x, ampersand x of I. So this x plus I is equivalent to ampersand of x of I. Okay. So now let us do the summation. So what we do, basically what we write, that sum is equal to sum plus that particular value. Okay, suppose x of 5. So actually we write this, but if we want to write using printer, using pointer, then we can write sum is equal to sum plus star in bracket x plus I, or we can simply remove this also, and we directly write sum is equal to uh, sum plus the value of particular x of I. So basically x plus I and the asterisk sign indicate the value of that particular location. And now we print the value of sum. So now we print that value. So we simply printing that value of summation. Okay, now we complete our program and then we compile it. Okay, so now run our program. So enter 6 number, we get 6 number from user. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the summation is 21. Now if we want to see how actually particular one by one value is printed, then we simply print the value of x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, likewise. So for that we simply write one statement, printf, and in that we print the value of particular location using pointer. So here we write printf value of
x of particular means x of I. So for that here we write percentage d is, and here value of I, and then we write asterisk x plus I. So this is how we can print the value of that location using pointer. So asterisk in bracket x plus I. Now simply we compile our program and run our program. So enter 6 number, we enter randomly 6 number 1, 2, 3, then suppose 7, then 9, and then 5. Okay, so these are the 6 numbers. So it means the value of x of 0 is 1, value of x of 1 is 2, value of x of 2 is 3, value of x of 3 is 7, value of x of 4 is 9, value of x of 5 is 5, and summation is 27. Okay, so this print the value of summation. So this is how we can use pointer and array. Okay, and we see this example. Thank you.